How to share TikTok video on Facebook Story. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Now, you need to tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. From the profile page, select a TikTok video and open it. Then tap on the three dots from the side panel. From this menu, you need to tap on Save Video from the options. Once the video has been saved to your gallery, now minimize the TikTok application and open Facebook on your phone. Once you're in the Facebook homepage, from here, tap on the Create Story section. Now select the recently downloaded video from TikTok, and then tap on Share. You can now share the video on your Facebook story and enjoy the story with your Facebook friends. So, by following these steps, you can share TikTok video on Facebook story.